Welcome, I'm Elote, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Mexican street corn, also known as elote, along with a dorm-friendly way to do it. To get started, you'll need a bag of frozen corn. I prefer the frozen corn over the can. Now, if you like, you can also grill or roast some corn on the cob and then cut the corn off. I'm also going to be using a styrofoam cup, some Cotija Mexican grated cheese. You'll need the Mexican Crema, which is a cream. I chose the table cream versus the sour cream. Liquid squeezable butter, some red chili powder, and rotel cayenne hot sauce, or any hot sauce, which is optional. First, I'm going to show you how to make it in a pan, and then I will show you a dorm-friendly way to make it in the microwave right after. We're going to start with 3 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of water. We want to get our butter nice and melted. Now that it's halfway melted, I'm going to add a 12-ounce bag of sweet corn. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Give it a mix and cook on high heat for 4 minutes. Alright, it's been 4 minutes on high. Now I'm going to turn my heat down to low, and we're going to simmer for an additional 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes already. This corn part is ready, so I'm going to set this aside and then show you how to make it in the microwave. For the microwave, you're going to need a Tupperware safe dish, and we're also going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, and then we'll be adding 1/4 cup of water. Add your 12-ounce bag of sweet corn. Place a lid on top without sealing it. You want to put it in your microwave and cook for 4 minutes. Once done, we want to season it with salt and pepper to your taste. Give it a mix and continue cooking in the microwave for 3 minutes or until your corn is done. Our corn is ready, and just be very careful. You don't want to burn yourself with the steam. Now that the corn is done, let's go put everything together. This is a 16-ounce cup, but you can use the smaller one. Now I'm going to fill my corn up halfway, and this cup actually has a line midway, so I'm going to fill it up to the line. Now we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, which I know may seem pretty odd. I used to squirm at the thought of eating mayonnaise with corn, but it actually isn't bad, so just add 1 tablespoon on top. Add 1 tablespoon of Mexican Crema, which is a cream. You can find this at Walmart. I'm going to go in with some butter. This is this parquet squeezable kind. And here I've got some Cotija Mexican grated cheese. We want to add a layer of that on top. You also want to add some red chili powder. Now we're going to mix our bottom half. You want to continue filling up your cup with corn. Just don't fill it up to the rim because we're going to be adding more toppings, and I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of crema again. Now this time I'm not going to add the mayonnaise. Squeeze some more butter on top. Now I'm going to add some Cotija cheese, and this time I'm going to be a little more generous. Sprinkle more red chili powder on top. I'm also going to be adding this rotel cayenne hot sauce, which is optional. I added a few drops and it really isn't that spicy. And last but not least, you want to squeeze a little bit of fresh lime on top. You can also add a little more salt if you like. And friends, I cannot tell you how delicious this corn in a cup is. I hope you give it a try and let me know what you think below. Be sure and give this a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.